Stop calling yourself broke. You are not broke. You are blocked. Your heart generates an electromagnetic field up to 5,000 times stronger than your brain. While your mind sends out thoughts about money, it's your heart's field that determines what you actually pull back into your life. And if your heart has been anchored in fear, in lack, in the exhausting math of not enough, it doesn't matter how many affirmations you say, you are broadcasting scarcity. And scarcity is what answers. This 20-minute heart-brain meditation is not about manifesting more. It's about removing the block that's been jamming your signal. Financial flow was never something you had to create. It's something you've been interrupting. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, what's the one financial fear you're ready to release tonight? Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest, palms open, on your lap. When you're ready, let your eyes close. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And release it slowly through your mouth. Bring your attention to your chest. Not your thoughts. Your chest. Your heart's field extends out several feet from your body. Whether you're aware of it or not, right now, we're not trying to think our way into abundance. We're going to recalibrate the signal at the source. Let your breath settle into its own rhythm now. There's no need to force it. Just let it move gently, the way it always has. Quietly keeping you alive without you ever having to ask it to. Bring your awareness to your heart center. Not to analyze it, not to fix it, just to visit it. The way you'd sit beside an old friend. For a long time, maybe your heart has been guarding itself. That's not a flaw. That's wisdom that once kept you safe. If money has felt scarce, if opportunities have felt slow to arrive, some part of you learned to brace for disappointment before it even had the chance to happen. That protection served you once. It doesn't have to run the show anymore. With every breath, imagine your heart softening just slightly. Not because you're forcing openness, but because you're finally giving yourself permission to feel safe enough to receive. You are not asking for something you don't deserve. You are simply remembering how to let it in. Let your next breath in be a little deeper. And as you exhale, imagine releasing some of the old tightness, the worry, the comparison, the quiet fear that there won't be enough. You don't have to know how it leaves. Just let it soften, breath by breath. There is a warmth available to you right now that has nothing to do with your bank balance. It's simply here, in this chest, in this breath, waiting for you to notice it. That warmth is not naive. It is the actual frequency abundance is built on. Continue breathing gently, letting your heart lead for a while instead of your fear. As you continue breathing, let a few thoughts settle into you now. Not as declarations to force, but as quiet truths your heart already half remembers. My worth was never something a number could measure. The block was never a lack of money. It was a lack of safety in receiving it. I don't have to earn permission to feel financially at ease. Every fear I've carried about money made sense at the time. I don't need it to protect me anymore. There is enough time for things to still work out for me. I don't have to prove I'm worthy of ease before I'm allowed to feel it. Financial peace isn't something I earn through exhaustion. It's something I allow through safety. The version of me who has enough isn't someone I have to become. She's someone I've been interrupting. I can hold ambition and contentment in the same breath without one canceling out the other. I don't need to white-knuckle my way to abundance. I can breathe my way there instead. The scarcity I learned was never the truth about me. It was just the loudest voice in a quiet room. I release the exhausting habit of proving my worth through how hard I struggle. What I'm building doesn't have to feel like a fight. It's allowed to feel like an unfolding. I don't have to carry last year's fear into this breath. Being at ease with money isn't reckless. It's what safety actually feels like. I release the belief that rest disqualifies me from receiving. My signal doesn't need to be perfect to start attracting something better. I can want more without treating what I have right now as a failure. My heart knows how to trust, even when my mind is still catching up. I am allowed to imagine ease without immediately bracing for it to disappear. What I've survived financially was never proof that I'm bad with money. Only that I was doing my best with what I knew. I release the old belief that struggle is the price of stability. Opportunities don't have to announce themselves loudly to be real. I can let good things arrive without needing to control exactly how. My signal is shifting quietly. With every breath I take here, I am not behind. I am simply becoming ready to receive what was already on its way. Let these thoughts rest without needing to hold on to every single one. Some will stay with you tonight. Some will simply pass through. Both are fine. Slowly, begin to bring gentle movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Let your shoulders soften. When you're ready, let your eyes open. Before you go, tell me in the comments, what does financial success actually feel like to you? Beyond the number in your bank account. If this resonated, subscribe for more sessions like this one. And if you'd like to keep working with this frequency, download the full quantum magnet protocol. Link in the description. For the next step in this journey, check out my playlist, The Coherence Code, Mastering the Quantum Field, linked right below this video.